Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share videos from one phone to another using your Xender step by step. This method is fast, free and does not require internet data or Bluetooth. Whether you're sending large videos, movies, recorded clips or multiple video files at once, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process using only your mobile phone. This method works perfectly for Android phones and is a beginner friendly. So make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. So the first step you have to take now is to open up the Xender app. But if you don't have the Xender app, I've already made a dedicated video on how you can download and install the Xender app into your mobile phone. Just go over to the description of this video. You will see the video link right there. Tap on the link. They'll be able to learn and watch how you can get started with Xender, how you can download and install the Xender app. So guys, now like I said, the first step is to open up your Xender on both phones. So let me tap on phone A to open up the Xender. Then let me tap on phone B to open up the Xender. You can see now Xender is opening up. So guys, once you've opened up Xender on phone A and phone B, what you have to do next is to tap on the icon at the bottom. You can see it right there at the bottom, the middle. So let me tap on it. That's the receive and send icon. So let me tap on it on phone A. Then let me tap on it on phone B. So on phone A, what you have to do is to tap on send. So let me tap on send on phone A. But before I do that, there is something I need to say. For you to enable smooth transfer of the video, you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, your location, and probably your hotspot. This is to ease easy transfer. So let me go ahead now to do that. Let me scroll from the top of my phone. The reason you're turning this off is because during the process of transferring the video, you're going to be asked to turn on these icons. So let me turn it off. So make sure they are turned off. You can see mine is turned off, Wi-Fi is turned off. Let me scroll. Hotspot is also turned off. You can see it. So make sure you turn off your hotspot, your Wi-Fi, and your location. My location is turned off as well. So guys, let me scroll back now. You can see those things are turned off. Like I said now, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the receive and send icon that is at the bottom, at the middle part. So let me tap on it. Let me tap on the icon on the phone A. Let me tap on it. So what you have to do next is to tap on send for phone A. So let me tap on send. Let me tap on send. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see setup. They said open GPS, so you have to tap on setup. Let me tap on setup. Then what you have to do now is to turn on location. You can see what's written there. They said use location, so you have to toggle on that feature for you to be able to use location. So let me turn it on. You can see now I've turned it on. Then now the next step is to go back. So let me go back. Then what you have to do now is to tap on next. You can see open GPS has been turned on. You can see it has been turned on. So what you have to do is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see on phone A, you can see what is displayed on the screen. That's the QR code, the black and white QR code. You can see it right there. So let's go over to phone B. So let me tap on the receive and send icon at the bottom, at the middle. Let me tap on it. Then let me tap on receive. Since phone B is receiving the video, let me tap on receive. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on open. You can see it says open WLAN. So I have to tap on open. Let me tap on it. Then what I have to do now is to turn on my Wi-Fi. You can see it right there. You have to toggle on that feature. So let me toggle it on to turn the Wi-Fi on. You can see how it has been turned on. Then let me tap on done. Then what I have to do now is to tap on next. You can see the Wi-Fi has been turned on. You can see it ticked good right there at the top. So let me tap on next now. So guys, right here on the phone B, you can see my camera has been turned on. You can see my hand beneath the camera. You can see my hand. So guys can see what is written there. They said scan QR codes to connect. So what you have to do now is to use phone B to scan the QR code in phone A. That's what you have to do. There is a QR code in phone A. You have to use this your camera that is being turned on in your phone B to scan the QR code in phone A. So what you have to do is to make sure that the QR code in phone A fits in perfectly into the scanning box in phone B. So what you have to do now is to use phone B. You have to lift up phone B, then place the QR code within the scanning box. You can see what I'm doing. You can see immediately I use phone B to scan the QR code in phone A. You can see what it shows, connects to device. So what I have to do now is to tap on connect on phone B. So let me tap on connect. You can see it right there. You can see it says connecting to device. So let's wait now. You're going to see what is going to happen. Wow guys, you can see it says connected. So guys, now you can see phone A and phone B is now connected. You can see the name of phone A in phone B. You can see it down there, and also you can see the name of phone B in phone A. You can see it down there as well. So now the next step you have to take now is to go over to the video section in phone A. So you can see the video icon at the top right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've gotten to the video section. As you can see right here, these are the videos in my phone. So what I have to do now is to select the video that I want to send. So let me go ahead now to select one or two videos to show you guys how it's being done. So let me select this one right here. You can see I've selected one. I can tap on send to send this one, but I want to select multiple. I want to show you guys how I can send multiple videos. Let me select this one as well. Then let me scroll again and select this one right here. You can see I've selected 3 videos and it says here send 3. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on send. So let me tap on send right away. I have to tap on send on phone A because phone A is the one sending the video to phone B. So let me tap on send right away. So guys, now you can see it. I've started receiving. So for you to see what is being received, you have to tap on that circle, that moving circle. So let me tap on it. You can see right here, these are the videos that are being received. You can see. So guys, now on phone B, you can see I've received it on phone B. These are the 3 videos that I just received from phone A. You can see you can now find it in phone B. Let me try sending another video to show you guys. Let me select another video real quick. Where is this video? Let me just send one of this video right here. Then let me tap on send. So guys, now you can see the video is being received in phone B. You can see the video is being received. So what you have to do is to keep looking at it. It's going to be received. And you can also tap on this moving circle on phone A to see the video, how it's being sent. You can see it here on phone A, and you can also see it on phone B. So the video has been fully sent from phone A to phone B. You can see it being marked good on phone A, and you can also see the video right there on phone B. So guys can see this is how you can be able to send videos from one phone to another using Xender. So you can just tap back. You can see I've gone back. They can go back on phone A as well. You can see I've gone back. So if you want to select any other video again, you can just tap on it. Let me tap on this one right here. You can see I've selected this. Then let me tap on send. You can see I'm receiving it. You can see it right there. It said one receiving. You can see I'm receiving it and it has been sent already. So now let me show you how you can disconnect. For you to disconnect, what you have to do is to tap on X. You can see X down there. You can either tap on X on phone B or tap on X on phone A. So let me tap on X on phone B. Then it says here disconnect. So once I tap on disconnect, both phone A and phone B will be disconnected. So let me tap on disconnect. So guys, now you can see it says disconnected, and right here these are the videos I've been able now to receive. If I go over to my gallery now in phone B, I'll be able to find these videos right there because it has been sent from phone A via Xender to phone B. So guys, this simply I can be able to transfer videos from one phone to another using Xender, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload.